Since everyone has been asking about what we eat and how we cook in the RV, we decided to shoot a series about it. We're calling it the RV Kitchen. Alright, so adobo chicken. Just putting a little olive oil or vegetable oil we're using this time in the InstantPot. So anyone that doesn't know, this is a InstantPot. This is our favorite appliance. And we got some chicken breasts and chicken thighs. We got what, a third cup soy sauce. Got a quarter cup of white vinegar. We got some garlic. We got some sugar, quarter cup. We have bay leaves. We have some chopped green onions. And over here we got some sliced white onions. That's one medium white onion sliced. So and that's all there is to it. She's gonna brown the chicken.
Cover the chicken in salt and pepper.
Yeah, so season the chicken in salt and pepper. Put the InstantPot on sear or saute. And we're gonna
saute, high saute.
High saute. So we're gonna brown that on each side for a few minutes. Whenever that gets all good and toasty,
about 7 minutes.
All right. So we'll come back in about 7 minutes and show you where we at. All right, both batches of chicken are pretty much brown. So I'm gonna add all the chicken back in. The chicken doesn't have to be cooked all the way through at this point because it's gonna cook under pressure for a little bit. So everything is gonna cook while it's under pressure. So just got a little sear on everything. Got all the chicken back into the pot, and then we're gonna add all the other ingredients. So we got the soy sauce. Oh, that smells good. We got sugar. It's a quarter cup sugar, a third of a cup of soy sauce, and a quarter of a cup of white vinegar. Then we have garlic. We just use the garlic in the tube, but a couple cloves of garlic. Two bay leaves. And we're going to add a little bit more black pepper. We like a lot of black pepper, so salt and pepper to taste. And then the sliced white onion goes in. Just like that. Give it a little stir. Not to stir too much. When you put it under pressure, it all blends together. And we're not adding the green onions yet. The green onions will go in after the pressure. Let's see what we're gonna do here. We're gonna go pressure cook. Eight minutes on pressure. So what this is gonna do is it's actually coming up to pressure now. We got the tab locked over to pressure, and then it turns itself on, and it actually won't start the 8-minute countdown until the pressure builds up. So it'll take a few minutes to build pressure, then it'll cook under pressure for 8 minutes, and then we'll show you the next step after that. Alright, it just finished pressure cook for 8 minutes, so now we're going to do a quick release of the pressure. We use a towel over just because our cabinet is right above it, so we don't like the steam spitting all over the bottom of the cabinet. But so we just put a towel over it, hit the release valve, and let it release all the pressure. Once all the pressure releases, you'll see a pin. See that silver thing right next to the release valve? That pin will drop down whenever all the pressure's out. That's when you know it's safe to open the lid. So we're just waiting for the pressure to come out, waiting for the pin to drop. There it goes. Pins it down, that means it's safe to open the lid. Now at this point, we're going to turn it back to high or saute, and then we're going to bring it to a boil and let it boil until the liquid reduces down to a thick sauce. Let's see about how far we might have to go. Yeah, see how liquidy it is? But we'll bring it to a boil, let that reduce down until it's nice and thick, and then we'll come back, we'll serve it over rice. Smells delicious. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes or so. The 15-20 minutes, I think. Sauce is thickening up pretty good. What we're going to do now is take the bay leaves out and add some, we have chopped green onions in right there. They're dried, so we're actually going to add them to the sauce and let them rehydrate a couple minutes. If you had fresh green onions, then you would just sprinkle them on your plate, but we're just going to put a few in like that, stir it in, give it about a minute, and then we're going to serve it over rice. Alright, we're just going to dump it over the rice. Oh, it smells good. And just like that, you can see the wonderful thing about a pressure cooker. 8 minutes under pressure and the chicken is falling apart, shredding. Of course, we let it simmer 20 minutes to thicken the sauce up, but it was the 8 minutes under pressure is what made it tender like that. There's the other bay leaf. Alright, we're going to plate it up and have a taste. Alright, there we go. Adobo chicken in the InstantPot. That's what's for lunch. That's good. I like it. You gotta try this one. Alright guys, let us know if you like this kind of video. If you want to see more of the cooking, comment below, let us know. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. We'll catch you in the next video.